Ooh, nice. Okay, put that to the side. All right, and first impressions holding it in my hands is immediately the build quality. Literally the first seconds I'm holding this phone, I have to say, it's pretty nice. Feels nice and solid in the hand. Nice and, maybe because it's brand new, but nice and grippy here on the sides with the chrome here. And let's see, yeah, you do get a matte glass in the back. Very nice. We'll go ahead and turn this phone on. Power button. Phone made a vibration, Google logo, which is sick, with the black background, like that. Ooh, got the little Gemini logo there. Powered by Android. Very nice. It's on the back